Taking a whole look out. Our weather forecaster, Scott, rates, at least for us here on the Central Coast, the fire threat doesn't seem to be too bad.
It's gonna get better, yeah, over the next few days here. And up there, they are gonna get a little bit of a break too. The humidity levels will come up just a little bit. We'll get a little bit better. Let's take a look right now, a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf. Beautiful Domenico's on the Wharf. We are starting to see some of that fog come in. The fog is going to be thick over the next 72 hours. It's really going to start coming in on the coast. It's going to start creeping into the Salinas area. So if you're starting to see some of those clouds and that fog start to move in, that is why we're going to have unseasonably cool temperatures. So it's going to be nice for your 4th of July. Still going to be a little foggy out there, but we'll talk about all of the timing of that in just a little bit. But you can start to see some of that fog right now at this 5 o'clock hour making its way in. So if you're on a boat here, if you're out there on the wharf eating your food, you're starting to cool off just a little bit as that fog rolls in. Here's what I'm talking about. 62 degrees now in Monterey. It has gone down just in the past half hour now to 62 degrees. So yeah, not too bad. Right now, the temperatures where you live, we'll take a look right now. Santa Cruz sitting at 73 degrees. Boulder Creek, 77 degrees. Big Sur, 76 degrees. Fort Hunter Liggett still sitting at 92 toasty degrees. So that's a warm spot on our map right now. Even in Hollister, 72 degrees, so not too bad, depending on where you're at in those microclimates. Let's take a look at the wind speeds right now. We still have a pretty decent onshore flow that is going to bring in the fog overnight. Monterey, you're looking at 13 mile per hour winds. Salinas, 17 mile per hour winds. In Hollister, 26. In Soledad, 26 miles per hour, 21 in Hollister. So, you know, be careful, but the humidity levels are going to start to come up with that onshore flow, bringing in that fog. And yes, that will be good for fire danger, at least in our area. And I think they're going to get a little break to our north as well, where some of those other fires are forcing evacuations right now. You take a look at the storm systems as it looks right now. That trough of low, again, very late in the season for any kind of trough to come in, but we are going to get that trough that is going to cool things off in our area and raise those humidity levels. The relative humidity levels right now, not too bad. King City, 29%. Up in Hollister, 46%. So really coming up there. That's good news for our fire danger in our area. We'll take it at this time of year. Let's take you through the moisture tracker right now. I want to show you this. We're going to stop it right here Sunday at 10 o'clock in the evening. Take a look at this. We are starting to see that moisture, like I had mentioned, come in. That trough's going to start moving in, and that is going to raise humidity levels up. And I'm telling you, we might even see some drizzle in the morning, Sunday morning, Monday morning, 4th of July morning. You could see some drizzle on the coast in places like Monterey and Santa Cruz. You could get in on a little bit of that wet stuff. See, Monday, 11 o'clock here, even more has moved on. So it's late in the season for this, and we need it. We'll take it. As for the futurecast, we'll walk you through it right here, and we'll stop it tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Clouds and that fog really starting to come on shore. A lot of it dominant now into the Salinas area, pushing the Hollister. It will dissipate throughout the day, but it will be back in the overnight hours, and that's going to be it for the next 72 hours. Broken record. Fog overnight, fog in the morning, and then it will dissipate throughout the day. All the way up until the 4th of July. As for the temperatures where you live, Santa Cruz, 72 degrees for a high, 51 for a low. Davenport on the ocean there, 64 and 51. Bonnie Doon, 70 and 51 degrees. We'll take you to the Salinas Valley area, and we'll start in Salinas, which that was not reading right now, just kicked in. 66 for a high, 50 degrees for a low temperature there. In Marina, amongst the dunes, 59 and 51 degrees for your low temperature. Pacific Grove, 62 and 52. Carmel by the Sea, 63 and 51 degrees. We'll go south and a little more inland, and we will start in the city of King. 84 degrees for a high, 45 for a low. It is getting down there. Yeah, it's July, right? Look at that low temperature in King City in July. 45 degrees and only 84 for a high. So we will take it this time of year. Very unseasonable when it comes to the temperatures. As for your 7-day forecast with that 4th of July weekend in view right there, you can see what it looks like. It's going to be foggy, and yes, it's going to have some drizzle even on the coast. Very mild. It will warm back up come Thursday. As for your inland areas, looks like this. Very, very mild, very cool for your high temperatures there. And then by Thursday, warming back up once that high pressure moves in to around 86 degrees. Veronica?
Okay, Scott, thank you. It sounds like June gloom going into July here.
June, yeah, and cool temperatures.